Now question 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Three consecutive integers. So we are going to take three consecutive integers. It can be 1, 2, 3 or 17, 18, 19 or 44, 45, 46. So three consecutive integers such that when they are taken in increasing order, like I said now 23, 24, 25, increasing order, and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Suppose if you take 6, 7, 8, three consecutive integers, if you take 6, 7, 8 in increasing order you have taken, then you are going to multiply the first integer, that is 6, multiply by 2, then the next integer by 3, then the next integer by 4. We have to multiply, then we have to add. When we add, we will get 74. So what are the numbers? So we know very well three consecutive integers. How do we take, children? Already we have done question number 6. Three consecutive integers means x. The first integer will take as x. Then the second integer, then next consecutive integer x plus 1. Then the third integer x plus 2. Is it or not? See, the three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Three consecutive integers means x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to the question, what did they say? We have to take in increasing order. It is in increasing order only. Then we are going to multiply the first integer by 2. Then the next integer we are going to multiply by 3. Then the third integer multiply by 4. That is called respectively, means first integer we have to multiply by 2. The next integer we have to multiply by 3. Then the third integer we have to multiply by 4. So now we are multiplying the first integer x by 2. So 2 into x, 2x. Plus, why do we do plus here? They add up to. So first we are taking the three consecutive integers, then we are multiplying. So first integer we are multiplying by 2, 2x. Then the next integer, second integer we are multiplying by 3. Children, listen carefully here. The second integer x plus 1, and we are going to multiply this x plus 1 by 3. So we have to place in bracket. See children, 3 into x plus 1. I mean bracket we have to place. Why do we place bracket? This 3 for these both terms, because here two terms. Here we are not placing bracket because we are multiplying the 2 by x, only single term. When you multiply a number with two terms, see, because here two terms, so we have to place in bracket, because this 3 for x also, this 3 for 1 also. So 3 into x plus 1. Second term, I mean second integer we are multiplying by 3. Then third integer x plus 2 we have to multiply by 4. 4 into x plus 2. They add up to. That's why we are adding after multiplying the given three consecutive integers. We are adding 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2. You will get 74. Okay, now we are going to open the bracket. Listen carefully. 2x plus 3 into x. We are going to open, that is distributive property. We are going to distribute this 3 to this term, and we are going to distribute this 3 to this term also. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 1. Bracket means what, children? Into only, no. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 1, 3. That is 3 ones are 3. We are opening the bracket, that is this 3 we are taking and distributing to the terms, both the terms. So now 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 1, 3 plus again Again we are going to distribute 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 equal to 74. Children, when you open this bracket, you need to be very careful. Few children, they make mistake like this. 3 into x, only they will distribute to x. They will forget to multiply this 3 and 1. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then we are receiving like this. Then how do we simplify, children? We will take the like terms. So what are the like terms? X terms let us take. 2x plus 3x plus 4x. We are simplifying the x terms. So all are like terms, no children, x terms. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9x. Then after adding the x terms, then we are adding the constant 3 plus 8, 11 plus 11 equal to 74. Then as usual, how do we simplify this equation? We say that 11 plus 11 is becoming minus 11 in right hand side. Then we are subtracting this. We are getting 9x equal to, we will get 9x equal to 63. What do we get here? 9x equal to 63. Then we are sending the 9 here. So x equal to 63 by 9. It is under multiplication, it is becoming division. So when you divide, you are getting the value, x value as 7. So now let's substitute this x value into this. So what is that x? First number 7. Next number x plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Then third number x plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. So what are the three consecutive integers? 7, 8 and 9. We have to confirm the answer. We are taking in increasing order 7, 8, 9. Multiply this 7 because after that we have to multiply. 2 7s are 14. Then 3 8s are 24. Then 4 9s are 36. You are getting the answers, no student. 2 7s are 14. 3 8s are 24. And 4 9s are 36. Add those numbers, definitely you will get the required answer.